Welcome to the guide on changing the sediment filter on your integrated UV disinfection system by EPS. Close the isolation valve on the inlet. Release the pressure on the UV system. Use the spanner supplied to open the filter housing. Replace the sediment filter within the housing. Reconnect the filter housing using the spanner. Open the isolation valve to the UV disinfection system. Reopen the isolation valve on the inlet. You've now changed the sediment filter on your integrated UV disinfection system by EPS. For information on any of our products, go to epswater.ie or contact your local EPS branch. EPS, rethinking water.